Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the HD coloring tutorial in Capcut. So here, first you need to import your video to Capcut and go to adjust and follow these settings. So for the brightness, set it into -5 and contrast and saturation 20. Oops. And exposure also 20, and last sharpen 100, and then click on a check icon, go back and go to video effects, click on retro and find the sharpen effect. Okay, this one, click on that and then adjust the effect, the chromatic aberration, into around 50. Go back, click on a check icon, and now here is the HD coloring tutorial. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.